Today on Misfit Mutts Garage, we're going to be working on Brutus, the Hornet. I'm going to be swapping some wheels and doing a different set of LED headlights. So stick around. Now, the first thing we need to do is obviously take these ones out. I have them wired to my blinkers as well for the ring. So I'll have to undo that. And the reason I'm swapping these, one, just for a different look, and two, I get a bit of condensation in the left side, and it never seems to go away. These are from Stevenson Motor Co., and these ones are just off of Amazon. So we'll see how easy the swap is and see if the Amazon ones get a little better result than these ones. Alright, so I took just the outside ring off, then the inside ring. The outside ring actually looks nice, is how I want it to look. But I think I'm going to hit this with a little bit of paint while I fiddle around with the light. Alright, so I just kind of hit those with some quick semi-gloss. So those will look a lot better when they go back on. No need to really hit these. And I'm getting a painted set of these from a friend. So that'll be good. They'll look real nice. And now you can see how foggy it is? That's never really gone away. So probably gonna take it off, clean it, see if that helps. But I really want to try these out. They look really cool. At least I think so. If you don't, then I don't care, really. And that's right side up. So yeah, probably just install it correctly. So I want to be able to swap these lights, and these ones have a different connector, but the wiring is pretty short here. So I'm just going to make little adapters. That way I'm not cutting what I have here inside the car already, and I can swap them out if I want. So before I wrap everything and put everything away, I'm going to test it. See if it works. Everything worked on the other light. So this one should work a treat as well. All right, that's not Lowe's, that's just like the parking light. That's everything. So that's daytime runners. Blinker does not work though. Hazards work. Okay. There it is. Ignition's got to be all the way on. That's cool as fuck. It's lame that the ring doesn't show unless the blinkers are on. I wonder if it's a... yeah, whatever. I might need to wire extra things for that ring to show up, but that all works, so I'm gonna put that away. Well, let's check the painted parts, see if I can handle them. They should be all right. Now, I'm not a painter. I did not do a good job on these, and I am fine with that. They are going to be mostly covered by things. See, had I taken more time to sand, would have got all the crap off, but it does not matter because these are going to be hidden for the most part. Still a little too tacky to put on though. Might even just throw a second coat on there to try to hide some of this crappy crap, which, yeah, I think I'll do that. want to do a quickie job on them. They'll get cleaned up over winter, but this is going to get tracked this week. So just want to make it look more, little more presentable. So we can wire up the second one while we wait. Alright, so I went inside for a little bit, left these out to dry. Actually feel pretty decently dry. Probably handle them. Yeah, I threw another coat on them. They're not perfect, but they'll do the job. And they'll look better than they did. Alright, so let's mount these two back in. And then we'll test them out again. Alright, so before I close everything up, these headlights are a little big. Just a little bit too big to really fit proper, but they actually sink in nice enough. This one, oh, tripping over. All right, so this one's just a little cockeyed. Let's see if I can fix that. You can see them on this. There's little tabs, big tabs actually, that this is where the headlight fits in the bucket. And so this bucket is a little cockeyed, I guess. So to fix this slight angle, I would have to remove the rivets and then adjust the bucket and then put it back. And I don't think, I'm not going to do that right now. But look at this one. All right, so let's test the new lights on the Hornet that we just popped in. We got hazards flicking, DRL, half beam, full beam. I'm happy with the look of these. Those look cool. My fog lights are not hooked up yet. Still on the to-do list. So right now they're just for looks. And I need an LED in here still. Get that going. Alright, so I think that'll do it for this little quick episode today. Swap these out. I really like the look of them. The Steveson Motorco lights, they're a little expensive for what you get. You can get the same things off Amazon for a fraction of the price. Like literally, I think I paid $60 for these as opposed to almost $300 for the Steveson Motorco ones. And these fit just as well. So, you know, do your own research, buy what you like. But I'm digging these for the time being. Thanks for joining. Have a good day.